Welcome back to the deep dive. And like always, we've been browsing over at AIagentstore.ai, seeing what's new.
Yep, keeping an eye out. And based on what you flagged, today we're diving into something called Fliki AI.
Exactly, Fliki AI. So the mission today, folks, is simple. Get a quick handle on what this thing is, who it's actually for, and, what it can really do. We're aiming for efficiency here.
Right. So Fliki AI, the big picture. Basically, it's an AI platform. It takes text.written stuff and transforms it into video.
Okay, text to video. But how?
Well, it uses AI specifically for generating pretty lifelike voiceovers. And it even has AI avatars you can use.
AI avatars on screen.
Yeah, exactly. Think of it as a shortcut, really. A fast track from having some text to having like a proper video with sound and visuals.
Interesting. So who would need that? Who's the target audience here?
It seems really geared towards content creators, definitely educators, marketers too, social media managers, trainers.
But people making stuff regularly.
Pretty much. Anyone who needs video content but wants to, produce it efficiently might be useful for someone like you wanting to get info out quickly.
Makes sense. Okay, let's get into the capabilities then. What are the standout features? What does it actually do?
Okay, several key things. First, languages. It supports over 80 languages.
80! Wow, that's a lot. Global reach then.
Big time. It also does voice cloning. So you can get like a really personalized sound.
Voice cloning.
Yeah.
Okay. And the avatars you mentioned.
Yes, the AI avatars. If you need someone on camera but don't want to film yourself, that's an option. Plus, there's a big media library, images, video clips, that sort of thing.
Okay, so it gives you the building blocks.
Right. But the core appeal seems to be the automation.
Automation? How so?
It handles a lot automatically. Like script to video.
Yeah.
It takes your text and starts building the video. AI voice generation, obviously. Auto captioning, too.
Oh, captions are huge.
Yeah, and it integrates dynamic effects.
Yeah.
The platform seems, well, highly automated. We saw a figure like 89% autonomy suggested. It does a lot of the heavy lifting.
89%. That sounds like it could save a ton of time. So what are some practical examples? How would someone actually use this day to day?
Okay, well, imagine you wrote a blog post. You could feed it into Fliki, and boom, you've got a marketing video.
Right. Repurposing content.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Or an educator making video lessons with a clear voiceover. Social media posts. You could have an AI presenter.
Instead of just text or static images.
Or turning, say, a boring slide deck, a presentation, into something much more dynamic and doing it in multiple languages, remember?
That multi-language part keeps coming up. Seems significant. What about the practical side? Cost. Access.
It uses a freemium model.
Ah, so there's likely a free tier to try it out.
Usually, yeah. Lets you test the waters before committing. And it's web-based.
So no downloads, just use it in your browser.
Seems so. Accessible from pretty much anywhere with internet. It is closed source, though, worth noting.
Okay. And is it popular? Are people actually using this thing?
The info we have suggests, yeah, it's got decent popularity, around 76%. And it's relevant across quite a few industries. Education, marketing, media, e-commerce, corporate training.
So it's not super niche then? It's got broad applications.
Seems that way. It looks like it's finding a solid user base.
Okay, so wrapping this up, the main takeaway for our listeners, what's the essence of Fliki AI?
I'd say the key thing is Fliki AI looks like a really potent tool if you need to create videos from text quickly and without a huge production effort.
Yeah.
Especially if you need that multi-language capability or really value automation.
Yeah, efficiency seems key.
Very much so. Getting your message out there in an engaging video format, possibly saving a lot of time.
It definitely makes you think, doesn't it? Tools like Fliki AI, making videos so much more accessible. How's that going to change things? Online communication, how we consume information.
What possibilities open up when basically anyone can create decent video content easily?
It's exactly food for thought. And hey, if you want to explore other AI tools, maybe compare them, remember to check out AIagentstore.ai.
Good reminder. Lots to explore there.